This video will afford several useful tips and the method to use a third-party program to help users link their iPhone to iTunes easily so that they can move the files between them without any bother. Part 1. Tips to connect iPhone to iTunes. 1. Set up the connection in a stable network. Ensure a strong internet connection before connecting to iTunes. For Wi-Fi, be in range with good signal strength. Check cellular data by navigating to Settings Cellular. 2. Use available USB cable. The USB port and cable quality impact iPhone iTunes connections. Verify the cable is well connected. If detection issues persist, try a different USB port, as the current one may be damaged. 3. Trust the computer. Trusting the computer is essential for iPhone connection. Dismissing the "trust this computer" prompt or choosing "don't trust" leads to detection failure. If issues persist post-trust, click here for details on managing trust settings on iPhone or iPad. 4. Update the iOS version. Keep your iOS version current for a smooth iPhone iTunes connection. Check for updates in Settings, General, Software Update. If it's not the latest, update and install for optimal performance. 5. Update iTunes version. Keep iPhone iTunes connection smooth with the latest iTunes version. Check for updates in Help. Check for updates. Download and install any available updates. If problems persist, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the latest iTunes version.